Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your EverWebinar account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your MailChimp to your EverWebinar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your MailChimp to your EverWebinar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, you know that by connecting your MailChimp to EverWebinar, you can continue to follow up with your webinar attendees. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EverWebinar account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up my EverWebinar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to connect your MailChimp, it's going to be via API. So first what you're going to do is click on this little person icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see these 6 icons, and you want to click on integrations. Once you click there, you're going to look for the MailChimp logo and click on integrate. Once you do that, it gives you this option right here to add the MailChimp API key. So I've already opened up my MailChimp. Okay, so here is my MailChimp account. Now to get your API key up here on the top right, you're going to click on your initial. Once you do that, click on profile. All right, once you click on profile, you're going to see these options right here, and you want to click on extras. Once you do that, you want to click on API keys. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the API section of MailChimp, and you're going to scroll down until you get here to API keys. Once you're here in API keys, you're going to click on create a key. All right, now you can go ahead and name your API key. So since this is going to be for EverWebinar, I'll go ahead and just type in webinar and click on generate key. Okay, next you're going to see your MailChimp API key. Go ahead and click on copy to clipboard. Now we're done here. We can go back to webinar. Okay, so here we are back in a webinar. Okay, all you're going to do is just click down here, API key, and paste in the API key from MailChimp. All right, once it's pasted, go ahead and click on connect. All right, quick second later, it should say connected right here, and you should see a green check mark next to your MailChimp. So let me close this out. Okay, now in order to connect it, here on the left side, click on webinars. After you click there, go ahead and choose the webinar you want to add your MailChimp to. So for example, this one, and click on, all right, once you've chosen the webinar, you're going to see these blue dots, and you want to click on this right here, integrations. All right, once you do that, look for email autoresponder integration and click on the pencil icon. Next, you want to click on MailChimp. Okay, now you can go ahead and set up the integration rules. So for example, if you click here, if they purchased a product or if they left before a certain time, if they attended the live webinar. So just choose what the trigger is. And then next you want to click here, add them to the list. Next, you can go ahead and choose your list. Once you've chosen the list, go ahead and click on create integration rule. All right, so now we created a rule, and you can create more rules as it stands right here. It says if they attended the webinar, then they're going to be added to this list in my MailChimp. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your MailChimp to your EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.